Hello everybody. I am going to eat some chocolate eggs. Easter eggs, yeah. Yep, definitely. Anybody who's watching this video, it's not gonna be Easter Day actually. If this video actually comes out, on YouTube. It's not gonna be Easter at any day when I post this video actually. Just to let everyone know. Yep. 18 hollow Easter eggs. Okay. Not sure how many I'm going to eat. I don't know what to call this video. Yep. Like a whole bunch of different colors actually. Yep. Colors. Marvelous actually.
I always do that. What's my recipe? Yeah, because I suck at recipes. This is my recipe. Instant noodle, a little saffron,
Okay.
which is really expensive, so I'm just going to do a
It's a
little.
chocolate egg.
Yeah. Just a little bit. Do I have my super scoop?
Okay.
Gosh. Where are my crabs? There we go. My crab balls. So it's interesting, my parents, you guys know I don't talk to my parents that often. Well, they actually,
It's really good egg.
my mom texted me, and she's like, your father and I are thinking about, goes, no, she always says daddy. Well, in this one she said father, but she also calls him, no, daddy this, daddy that. Orman thinks it's so funny, right? She refers to him as daddy.
Mm.
I was not listening. Watch it. No, it's okay. Watch your show. It's fine. He's on his iPad or something.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Now, see, this is too much
Okay,
water.
it's kind of hollow egg.
Too much water.
Okay.
Is this enough?
That's like,
No, let's
yeah.
do 3. Come on.
Bit. Yeah, the bottom side. Mm.
Oh yeah, so she's like, your father and I are thinking about getting a summer cottage. I'm like, what? I mean, last time I heard about anything financially, so they said they're still paying off the house. It's still, you know, I was like, you can get a whole other house. And then she tells me it's in the boonies. Well, we already live in the boonies of Pennsylvania. We live, you know, in the countryside. But this is even more like there's no Wi-Fi, there's no cars, no streets. It's like $20,000. $20,000 for a whole house. And I'm like, oh my god, what's the catch? So they actually going today to look at it.
No, I normally eat 2.
Because she was just like, yeah, we can get $20,000.
This is definitely a Mac. Well,
No, 2, 3, 4, you know, houses are expensive like that. In New York City, that's the price.
it's really hard to pronounce actually.
So I'm like, okay, that could be kind of cool. Good for you, happy for you. They just wanted to tell me that. Make me happy for you. I would love to. That would be really cool. I would love to do that. By the way, here's my bottle.
It's like a lot of eggs. I'm going to eat this like every day.
Let's add our spice. If I can even open this. Yeah. Now I need scissors. I'll be right back. I already put a bunch of I've already done these 3 packs. I forgot. I turned the camera off. Ooh, that's spicy. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so spicy. But I love it.
Wow, it's so good.
So what I'm trying to do is cook this water out. Ooh, up and close. Alright. Looking good. Get my chopsticks. Hey, I'm here.
I know some people don't like the way I actually
I'm going to
eat.
be on this side, I think. And I'm trying to think the noodles should be on my side, because that's what I'm after. So put the noodles right here.
Yeah, definitely.
By the way, this is clean, so don't say it's not, because it is.
I really hope I'm not going to get any haters.
This looks like lava.
Yeah, this is just a mukbang actually.
Okay, so here's the
It's not a challenge.
They are still steaming, so while they're steaming, we're gonna unbox everything else. So what do we got here? Ooh,
Okay, number 3.
burger number 1. Ooh.
This is only like 18 right here. 18 packs.
Ooh, burger number 2. Oh my god, that looks so good.
Yep.
And juicy. Wow. Wow, that looks so good. Okay, pizza number 1. Ooh, they're still so hot. Ouch. Very hot. Ooh. Oh my god, this looks so.
Something about, yeah.
Look at this. Look at that, still steaming. Wow. Ta-da! Okay.
Yeah, there's something about milk chocolate is so good.
I know, I could tell when I was with my
I've got problems. That don't sense me up. That make me go crazy over all that sweets. It's that so good.
I'm dying for these noodles. Where's Miss Kitty? Where's Miss Kitty?
Oh,
There's Miss Kitty. Oh, Miss Kitty. 99. Go to sleep. Okay, you guys, so this is my fan. This is what I use to go to sleep. There's Orlin. This is for you too. Here's my bed. So he likes the floor because it's better for his spine.
I'm gonna eat 3 already.
Like this little sponge thing. Here's my white light machine. It's rainbow. Ooh, too loud. Let's just turn that off. I'm using it. And then I have my goggles over here. My earplugs.
Okay, I think that's
my favorite thing. My little like. This is made out of bacon.
my God, don't eat too much.
When
So
I have the spicy noodle challenge.
I'll push that sugar over until they give me nightmares.
We can stay up till like 5
Do I have to sleep tonight?
And there's Miss Kitty.
There, we have the blue one.
Hey, Miss Kitty. There's her house. Good night,
I think I did.
everyone. Thanks for watching my video.
Oh wait, no I didn't. I got one more and I'm done. Excuse me. Excuse me, how rude of me. Okay.
Don't burn yourself.
Okay.
I'm gonna have this giant burn.
Okay. Oh, and before I actually open that one, that is my limit.
Follow my Instagram at NickAvocado, and if you do, I might just follow you back. The best burger ever. Hotness.
And again, like what I said about milk chocolate, I mean, really, something about it, it tastes so good. I don't know what it is.
Mine's all that.
Oh, yeah, that's definitely normal, right? That's definitely normal. Oh. I've got a little chocolate in my hand. Still there. Yeah. By the way, I was actually watching a little sort of videos on my phone, actually. The app called Real Sort. When the one I was really watching, it's actually a mafia show, actually. That is crazy. It's like a mafia king in person, actually. Oh my God. That's so right there. Dang. Like falling in love with.
That is seriously the best burger. I'm telling you. The best burger.
What is that? Falling for my ex's dad.
Sloppy.
Oh, Marvel dad. Yeah, that's it. That's the one.
It's not like
That's so crazy. I mean, the father, like, my God, he knows what he was doing. Yeah, whatever he wants, he gets. No wonder. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna eat this now.
pizza. This one. Chicken pizza. It's too late. Too late. That's okay. You guys know chicken pizzas.
Mm-hmm.
You tried my chicken pizza. Oh my God. I know you love the chicken pizza. This is one of your favorite pizza boys here too. My lady, right? Yeah, your lady. Yeah, all the pizza in Colombia is like mom and pop. I know. Wow. Yeah. What are you sorry for? I put some pizza on my arm. Pizza all over my face. I don't know why you did. That's good. Did you eat the This is good.
Sorry about the mess. Oh my God, like how many chocolates did I eat? How many eggs? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4. Oh my God.
So tasty. I mean, try these peas and
Less than 18 now, I know, in the box.
Pepper.
Yeah, this is what I mean about,
I usually.
about that chocolate. I mean, really.
Well, this isn't really fast. I mean, this isn't fast food. This is from a restaurant.
Yeah,
It hasn't walked in there.
it's normal, really. It's normal for me, actually, to eat the insanely amount of chocolate.
Eat your whole burger. I was gonna say. It wouldn't surprise me, but wait. You would look, Five Guys is like this drippy nut. Royals never had Five Guys, and I was gonna tell him about it the other day. And I was like, oh, it's drippy, it's full of stuff.
I've only had dollar menu Wendy's, McDonald's, and Burger King with my mom growing up.
Yeah, that's so nut. I will not get any haters on this video, actually. I hope not.
This feels good. I mean, how many meats are in there? There's ham,
It was the sound I'm making while eating chocolate. Eggs.
This doesn't have egg, right? No.
Oh my God.
It's so good.
I can't believe I actually eat 4. I think I ate like how many
You like the spicy sauce?
the wrapper looks like different colors on them. Like, what's this one? Orange,
That's a different sauce.
orange, pink,
More warming and noodles because it's
yellow, blue. I think this one's like a blue and purple together. How about that? Okay, now I'm done. Bye.
These are so hot, they go. Right? I think so.
Yep.
Really good. Thank you, baby. Yeah, I'm used to doing cold milk.
Sign off.
Like, this is still hot. I'm still hot. Anyways, that's
Bye. Love you.
by the time I drive home, I set it up there.